The all-new 2026 Jeep Grand Cherokee isn't just about rugged power. It's about redefining what luxury feels like inside a true off-roader. And today, we're taking you inside for an exclusive interior preview, where craftsmanship meets technology in Jeep's boldest cabin yet. Right away, you'll notice the new color palette, giving customers more ways than ever to personalize their Grand Cherokee. From classic black and calming sea salt to warm Tupelo and the striking dark ruby red, each tone tells a story. They're accented with smoke, basil, and burnished copper stitching, tied together beautifully with anchor silver brightwork, giving the cabin a handcrafted, upscale vibe. The centerpiece of this new cabin is a revised dashboard featuring a massive 12.3-inch infotainment display, a big leap forward from the old 8.4 and 10.1-inch setups. It's crisp, intuitive, and designed feel more connected than ever. Below that, Jeep's added new switchgear and a sleeker center stack, making every control fall right to hand, modern, minimal, and premium. Jeep has also simplified the trim lineup, now offering the Laredo, Limited, and Summit variants. And yes, the Grand Cherokee 4xe plug-in hybrid is still here, available in Limited, Summit, and Trailhawk trims, proving that eco-conscious driving can still be adventurous. Borrowing inspiration from the Grand Wagoneer, the 2026 Cherokee gets an enhanced digital cockpit with a larger head-up display and refined infotainment interface. It's a seamless blend of technology, craftsmanship, and comfort, reminding you that Jeep isn't just about going off-road, it's about arriving there in style. The 2026 Grand Cherokee Facelift interior is where luxury meets legacy, a cabin designed to elevate every journey, whether it's a city commute or a mountain trail. So, what do you think of Jeep's new direction? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more inside looks at the world's most exciting cars.